Folks have legal questions out there. Judge Muriel Robinson is here to answer them. As always, good to have you with us. Lots of folks are with us today, and I believe we've got Brenda with us on line one. So Brenda, thank you for watching, and go ahead, please. Hello, Brenda? Brenda, you're on the air live. Go ahead. She actually had a question earlier concerning furniture. Damaged furniture and everything from a moving company. So if you've got damaged furniture in a move, what are some opportunities there? Well, first of all, you tell them about it and see what they're going to do, because you can make a claim. If they're not responsive, you could sue them in general sessions court for the value of your furniture. Okay. And you have to keep your papers, because you may have released them on a disclaimer. Ah, okay, so make sure about that. All right, so Treva, you are with us right now. Treva, go ahead, you're on there live.
Oh, okay. I would like to know what court to contact to find out how much is in my trust fund, if anything is still in it. My guardian hasn't let me know, so I would like to go through the court to find out. Okay. Well, if you're a beneficiary, certainly you have the right to know that. What you need to do is go, if you're in Davidson County, go to the probate office and let them look up your guardianship to see if the reports have been filed and what the balance is. You can't just walk into a judge's chambers and ask him these questions. You have to file the appropriate papers. So you could hire a lawyer, you could call the Bar Association. If your guardian won't furnish you this material, then you can go to the clerk's office and get your case number and look up your file and get your papers, so you can take them to the lawyer so he can get with the guardian to get a report for you. Okay. All right, we have Deanna. Deanna, you're on the air live. Go ahead, please.
Yes, I'm calling about my mother. She's had a surgery that we did not ask for. We went in for one kind and come out with something totally different, and she's not able to bend over for the rest of her life because of this different surgery. We've called several attorneys and tried to talk to our doctor, and we just can't seem to get anybody to help us. They tell us that
all right, so what are the options here? Well, that sounds like a medical malpractice, but you have to call the right lawyer, and so I'd call the Nashville Bar Association or the Bar Association in your town and ask for the list of specialists in medical malpractice suits. There's several really good medical malpractice firms in Nashville. Take your papers, give them the medical records so they can determine whether the procedure that he did when he had to switch over and do something else was appropriate, because it may have been something that your mother needed right there at the 9th hour. So you have to kind of get your facts together and then go to the lawyer, and they'll tell you whether or not you have a remedy. Okay. Let's going to get one more in. Mark, quickly, go ahead with your question, please.
Hello?
Yeah, you're on the air live. Go ahead.
Okay, thanks. I live in Becker County, and my daughter has a child born out of wedlock, and we're trying to get the father, how's the best way to get the father out of the picture? Right. He hasn't been there.
So what are their options if they're trying to get full custody?
And she's 2.5, and I don't know if we need to go on abandonment or what. I just don't know what the judge thinks.
Well, of course, you don't want to terminate the parental rights, because then that sort of bastardizes the child. You know, he is the father. But if someone else wanted to adopt the child, of course, he has abandoned if he hadn't paid child support. She's the sole custodian, and so really she is in a position to call all the shots and make all the decisions about this child. Really, since he's not visiting, not sending you money, you need to go to the child support receiving unit and get him under a child support order. Then if he comes and wants visitation, ask for supervised, because he hadn't been a parent to the child anyway. And he probably is going to be disinterested. If she marries a good man who wants to adopt her child, she's not going to have any trouble getting the parental rights terminated as to the biological father.
All right. As always, great advice. Thank you very much for being with us today. Right now.